welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Protests erupt over planned anti-cow meat march in Meghalaya. Public awareness meeting on livestock census held in Ampati. Minken Christian Higher Secondary School football team heads to Indo-French tournament. And Nongtalang Government Secondary School celebrates 50th Golden Jubilee. Another news in detail. On September 27, 2024, the FKJGP and the Khasi Jaintia Bachas Association met with East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba to protest a planned march by Jagaduru Shankaracharya Swami Avimuktishwar Ranan Saraswati against cow meat consumption. FKJGP President Dandi Khongsit condemned the group's attempt to impose religious views on food choices, asserting that individual dietary preferences are protected by the Constitution. The Deputy Commissioner confirmed the group had not sought permission for the rally and subsequently issued an order prohibiting large gatherings in Shillong without prior authorization. Violators will face penalties under Section 223 of the BNS, she added.
Penpau kata jiso bejoki kata masih ketika beli harga nget bejoki ini kumka jatun rio ketika jatun rio kepa babam dok masih bah di kalau kaki kepa bom spontan pan ala kita ki shitnya bundu begin wan saya ka jala kejongi saya ni kejongi manwan man warak man punya shitnya man akapa kalau penlong man kadon no kajing ya hejat rio akan kecela kajongi di kum keseng kepada kajing kli berkat bagi virtual association gawan penempau syagisi nama kali kata duduk kajing bat kata cultural quality dustur kajongi pat khamtam lor bali bakanika kam dok masih borok itu thi ba kapopsan lagi dong profesional ngi hi gidi ba subun ba pam masih jika dia kowe ka la akam ajam di diberi bijongi te kum bakalong mentah la ta ni aila ni nyam hundiu man man pensit sa ni gejala ka jingi man pensange ya ka pamlo ka de gijung tu ka khra jadi ku bejan rio kalau ka jing yo kam ajam ro dia nak kata bakas perlong yang ini bagin wan hang ni banyak kendu edisi te hendai ngidep ba hadu mentah tempat wan man pa ni ka jingbet perlong tarali Rina kalian kejongi nyem up yang tarik panjang ke kejongi shop di panjang bet nak kalian kejongi di aspek kawan ban bu yang kita kajak persa khmat edisi lara kadang dulu kata permission Jepang lagi di sit nyam Hindu ban perlong yang kali ban pau kata kamasi kadi ke beleng kejongi te kani kata shibun mot ya ka moh ya kajing ya ka hok long riu man riu kan ke ri India kejongi nomor ni tet ka kunki articles khakanda ngitip sai ba ka hot ka pinong sosnong bala ban jit ya taka profession ke jongki ru kadon ngai kada ini hiwan ban persia te kalau ka ni ko sosi bat ka wiru kalau ba ni ba ni ka jela ka jongi kum ka jatri munjudan ka taka persia dikwi pa jatnyam wala da bon hi gidi nyam kastan kimi ginyam ko dan ni kajuya ni ada festival puja kajudan kalau banyak dia jadi tinggi iba kadang kata kajing sengai kajing sungsuk hakane ka ri bejongi nai lada community niam ne community seng bawan nagi bi jela sini jela bejongi kalau penban ban fit niam ne ya pia jat rio hakane bi jela bejongi ai imdan kanono ban kran ban ong nomor beli tak permission ru empat bo de nak kata yang kalian jadi kemudian ia bertong kan dan mereka ikan masih dia Khubor ni kuat pendapat sah sarkar kalau ayah tu ka statement kepada kalian jong chief minister wong ba borok ia ke syong Khubor jong DC kan ni penpa ba ia ke bang sontanat hangi kompi seng bahalang nomor kalau bala syukan.
On September 27th, the Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, in collaboration with Red FM Radio, hosted a public awareness meeting in Ampati, Southwest Garo Hills, attracting thousands. The session focused on the government of Meghalaya's upcoming livestock census, which will gather data on domestic animals like cows, pigs, goats, and more. Health risks, particularly rabies, were discussed, emphasizing the importance of seeking immediate treatment for infected dogs. Experts provided guidance on proper animal care to ensure better market prices. DJ RJ Zach from Red FM entertained the crowd, while veterinarians Dr. Bani Balsrang M. Sangma, Dr. Dayana D. Sangma and Dr. Makeda B. Sangma led educational sessions. The football team of Minken Christian High School in Ribhoi district has been selected to participate in the Indo-French football tournament in Paris, France, starting November 25, 2024. A statement from the Chief Minister's office highlighted the team's impressive performance in the national tournament, showcasing their skills on a larger stage. Despite losing to TG English School from Manipur in the finals of the Subroto Cup International Under-17, the team's achievements have earned them this prestigious opportunity. Sports Minister Shaklyar Wajri congratulated the school on their selection, emphasizing the honor of representing the country in a city that recently hosted the Olympics. Nongtalang Government Secondary School marked its 50th Golden Jubilee on September 27th with a ceremony featuring Lakman Rumbui MLA, Amlaram constituency and Speaker of the State Government as the chief guest. In his address, Rumbui emphasized that modern education transcends rote memorization for high marks. It should foster critical thinking and practical knowledge for students' futures. He urged students to engage deeply with their subjects, promoting understanding that would benefit them in everyday life. Rumbui also called for the establishment of student learning clubs to encourage idea exchange, fostering intellectual development and awareness of surrounding issues. The District School Education Officer of West Jayantia Hills highlighted the importance of reflecting on the school's history while planning for future improvements in education. He expressed hope that the Jubilee would inspire teachers and students to enhance educational standards in the region. The event featured contributions from former and current students who celebrated the school's legacy through traditional dances and songs. Key figures including MDC Rolando Lamin and Assistant Headmaster Albert Lingdor shared insights into the school's history, making the celebration a memorable occasion for all attendees.
Different skills, empower yourself. It is very, very important to empower yourself. And because these are the foundation of today's education. If you learn these 4 or 5 things which I tell you today, I know you can navigate all the hardship, all the different things in your day-to-day life. So my dear student, it is very, very important. 50 years we are serving here today. To set the foundation of new way of education. New education policy have been implemented. So we have to have this new mindset. Then takada, ngakanto ya pi ki we ki khna school. Ba pilong ki khna ki ba nang banje Yaki e ki ba pinshin. Bat pinang ba de ba pinang ban bread. Yaki e ki ba umde. Ngalakren management tak artificial intelligence. Ki bon ke ba mapen mentoy ba ki donro ki ba wanra ya ka jing snail. Dem takadaw long di kena ki ba nang tang man pule nang ban prakha critical thinking. Tang ban pule nang ban pusan. It is very important pide ban pusan yak pule hato kihikai yani nakabanta ka germination of seeds kadene kamde practice pila banyo yak daki sakawe ka bang kwa kumaong mene kambesyo ka baso banyo kam sarkar haray ki kam ki bela ladang idon kata kasap ka skills hamne school kaladon ko vocational training nagmata artli likely kitret ngam kemang what shit ketu kadai tang ba finisyo score marks and learn and who knows you will teach others del takada kabakong san galong ba amday shu bangin sa school ngipule yak bahikay babu bupi lanlandat hayem anda point exam ngun chutok tang yakatu ka ba ngi ihikay ban ndray pandan kam ya ka e wa pule de takadaw hak na ko life is very tough. You have to face so many hardships in study, but those hardships, those difficulties will empower you, will make you the one who can challenge the world. I'm sure, I wish the students of Nong Talang Government Secondary School commit themselves that I will be someone. I will stand on my own feet. I can transfer my skills to others. I can educate the other, and I will be a good human being, more importantly, the one who is as an asset to society. Give up anything, any thought, any mind for all this substance abuse, for all this drug or other substance abuse. Don't ever let that thought, that mind infiltrate into your mindset. But prepare yourself to face that tombat man. I will be an asset to the society. With these few words, I wish the Nong Talang Government Secondary School family the best, and more importantly, that this celebration, which culminating on the 13th of December, where our Honorable Chief Minister will be here today, that will be
On the 27th of September, members of the Nyotrap Achek National Movement (HANM) met with Electricity Minister A.T. Mondal to discuss the urgent need for a 132 kV substation in Nongpo, the headquarters of Ribhoi district. HANM President Don Roykshar highlighted that the district, serving over 20,000 households or more than 400 villages, currently lacks a substation of this capacity. Kshar emphasized the project's significance for improving electricity supply and infrastructure in the region. Minister Mondal assured the delegation of his commitment to advancing the proposal to the cabinet, acknowledging that such a project requires careful consideration and support from multiple stakeholders.
Mr. A.T. Mondal. Kejuan buat juga nama orang boleh hadir sis pak like RKB apa nampak income kerja imar boleh ini akan digusni berkipor bolehnya nampak kejuan kemudian ia ke substation 132 kV dan kalian asen meter sesukia ini income itu habis buat like marka like income malakapor malak minute kemudian kalau pok kali ke headquarter jong kari boy district sin nadu ketendai spa ke ar liok jing liok district jong hari harum ta apa nupok jing kabare kan putar ding sulayo ya ka sin spa like RKB de den ta kadau bana kali ngasen ke sim ke jing sokia baka jikot jinam jong pai ba jong hem riboy kudio ba kam ta me nakte ka headquarter ke bi je ke jing tham riboy ke bangi e nak por skor mo bi sarkar ba niklem pai ba ke headquarter ke de ko nupo ke office ke baper ke don ko nupo ni don ke civil hospital ni don ke DTO ni don ke deputy commissioner office ke de office ke baper ke badan apa nupo ke don lot kita ke office ke ba he ke masuk ke long balai sulayo ya ka sis pa lai ar kibi dai neta benta nak le ngasang ke sim ke jing ba khle bani keren bat power minister ban puyo ya ka sis pa lai ar kibi ke daw ke mi pat juk nak le ngasang jeng tham boy ban wan ban bo ik le kadaw ko long kat kum ke jing jiktip pak jing jiktip jing ke long ba hari boy ngi dan santli ki power hydro power ke ba mi ya ki boarding kata ka long ko wai ke yam kemudian light 100 megawatt KBR ngidon ke Sumer power station kita ikut ke stage 2 dapat pemi yang ke boarding R2 megawatt kaba lai kerdem kulai ke stage 3 bagiong niyo ya ke lai dapat pemi 1000 megawatt kedong kelem power station niyo 1000 megawatt berkaba kedua kalau ke Umtru power station kemudian ke Nerbang ke bapmi sau 4 megawatt ke hapot temur boy ngiyo ars pak kan 2 megawatt ke dene ni betal on leng sang sim ke jing sokia ba ket-keta ke megawatt kemudian ars pak kan 2 megawatt ngim la yo ya ka 122 kV hapot nopo ke jing dene ni betal ngimi skmat bandawa na Power Minister tunjuk nak sarkari bakan Peit Madlam habis berke ke area nopo gejingi hakte ke area ke don Shillong ke bakan kami like komba south pa kam kli Shillong ki household ki palat ya 25 ani arabsan hajar kli longin ke kam yakte ke lat dene kita nak lihat asam ni kerpat bagi orang sarkar bakan Peit Mat
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.